Light enters from air to glass having refractive index 1.50. What is the speed of light in glass? The speed of light in vacuum is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. So in this question, refractive index of glass given 1.50 and speed of light in vacuum given 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. So in first step, just write the given value. Given refractive index, symbol for refractive index is small letter n, equal to 1.50. This is the refractive index of glass given in this question. And C means speed of light in vacuum, and this value given 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Now we know the formula for refractive index n equal to C by V. Here I will find the value of V. Why? Because V means speed of light in glass, n means refractive index, C means speed of light in vacuum. If I'll arrange this formula, then V equal to C by n. Now just place the value. C means 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. N means 1.5. Now 1.5 1 ja 1.5 and 1.5 2 ja 3. So after cancelling this, just write this value in multiply form. V equal to 2 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. This is the speed of light in glass. So in first step, just you write the given value from the question, and then you apply the refractive index formula, n equal to C by V. From here you arrange for V equal to C by n. Place the value from this question. In place of C, written 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, and in place of n, written 1.5. Now you cancel this. 1.5 1 ja 1.5, 1.5 2 times if I have to multiply, then become 3. Now the value of V equal to 2 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. From here you just write as it is, and this is the speed of light in glass. So finally I have completed the answer for this question. Thank you.